morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we are going to start chapter 14 simple future tense. Chapter 14 simple future tense. Children, do you remember how many tenses are there? There are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. There are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense and past tense we had already completed. What is present tense? Present tense, that is what we are doing now. Present जो अभी चल रहा है, that is called a present tense. Past tense means जो हो चुका है, that happened. Okay, that is called a past tense. Today we are going to learn about simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Means जो होने वाला है in future. That is called a simple future tense. Okay. The simple future tense is used to talk about an action. To talk about an action that will happen sometime in the future. That will happen sometime in the future. जो future में होने वाला है, that is called a simple future tense. Okay, let us see the example. He will reach home tonight. He will reach home tonight. Here we write will for simple future tense. Simple future tense के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Will और shall. Okay, will and shall for the simple future tense. The second is I shall leave for Shimla on Monday. I shall leave for Shimla on Monday. We use will or shall plus base form of the verb. Okay. There are some rules that you have to follow for the statement, negative and for the interrogative or question. For the interrogative and question. So here the first is statement. Subject plus will or shall plus base form of the verb. आपको statement लिखना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? First the subject and for the future what we are going to write will or shall. Will लिखेंगे और the shall. Only one, will or shall plus base form of the verb. Okay, we generally use shall with I or we. I or we के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Shall. And for the other what we are going to write will. Okay. For the negative, subject plus will or shall plus not plus base form of the verb. For the negative what we are going to add not. Not हम किसके लिए use करते हैं? For the negative we add not after will or shall. हम will और shall के बाद में ही not use करेंगे plus base form of the verb. And for the interrogative will or shall will come first. ये पहले आएगा. We put will or shall before the subject. Subject के पहले हमको क्या करना है? Will and or shall plus subject plus base form of the verb. Base form of the verb. Let us understand with the help of this table. Statement, subject, okay, subject will, shall or run. Here the I is a subject, तो I के साथ आप shall भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, I will run or I shall run. This is the subject plus will or shall or base form of the verb. Action और doing word जो होता है वो base form of the verb ही हमको use करना है. He will run. He will run. Okay. For the you will run. You will run. Singular और plural में सभी में हमको will ही use करना है. He will run. You will run. They will run. Okay, children. I will run or I shall run. He will run. You will run. They will run. This is for the statement, subject, will or shall and base form of the verb. For the question, what we are going to write? Will or shall. Shall I run and at the end put question mark. Shall I run or will I run? Will he run? Will you run? Will they run? Okay, and at the end you have to put question mark for the interrogative or question. What you have to put? The end question mark. Okay, and for the negative. नेगेटिव के लिए we add not after will और shall. हम will और shall के बाद में not add करते हैं. I will not run और I shall not run. He will not run. You will not run. They will not run. Okay? Subject will or shall plus not plus base form of the verb, and for the statement subject will or shall plus base form of the verb, and for the question ये पहले आएगा will or shall will come first, है ना, then subject plus base form of the verb. That you have to remember that we use will or shall plus base form of the verb for the statement. Generally we use shall with I or we. I और we के साथ हम you और shall use कर सकते हैं, and for the negative we add not after will or shall. Okay, and let us revise once again. Simple future tense is used to talk about an action that will happen sometime in the future. जो future में होने वाला है, that is called simple future tense. Okay children, I hope you have understood this chapter. We will meet in a next video. Till then, have a nice day.